Are you tired of struggling with uneven surfaces and outdated sanders that just don't get the job done? If you're looking for the best electric sander in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're a professional woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or simply tackling home improvement projects, having the right sander can make a huge difference. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the one that suits your needs? Don't worry, we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best electric sanders you can get right now, covering their features, performance, and what makes them stand out. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Also, check the description box and first comment for the best deals and Amazon links to these amazing sanders. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on expert product reviews. Now let's dive in. DEWALT D26441K. The DEWALT D26441K is a powerhouse in the world of electric sanders. This 2.3 amp, 14,000 OPM, orbits per minute, random orbit sander is perfect for both professional and home use. It comes with a durable dust-sealed switch to protect against debris and increase longevity. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making long sanding jobs more manageable. One of its standout features is the high-performance dust collection system, which keeps your workspace cleaner and extends the life of the sanding pad. If you need a reliable sander that offers smooth finishes with minimal effort, the DEWALT D26441K is a fantastic choice. Check out the link in the description for pricing and availability. WEN 6301. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet effective detail sander, the WEN 6301 is an excellent option. This 1 amp electric sander might be small, but it packs a punch with 13,500 OPM to tackle detail sanding tasks. Its triangular sanding pad makes it perfect for reaching tight corners and intricate woodwork. The lightweight design, just 2 pounds, ensures easy maneuverability, reducing hand fatigue. The dust collection system isn't as advanced as higher-end models, but for the price, it does a great job. If you're a hobbyist or need a sander for occasional use, the WEN 6301 is a budget-friendly solution. Check the first comment for the best deals. Black & Decker BDERO100. Next up, we have the Black & Decker BDERO100, a compact 5-inch random orbit sander that delivers great value for money. With a powerful 2.0 amp motor running at 12,000 OPM, this sander ensures a swirl-free finish on wood, metal, and even plastic. Its hook and loop sanding pad system allows for quick and easy paper changes. The dust collection system is decent, though not the best in the category. However, its lightweight and ergonomic design make it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and light professional work. If you're looking for an affordable sander that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the BDERO100 is a solid pick. Find it in the description box below. WEN 6502. If you need a versatile 2 and -1 sanding machine, the WEN 6502 is worth considering. This combination belt and disc sander comes with a 4.3 amp motor that runs at 3,600 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for tackling larger sanding projects. The belt tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, giving you flexibility when working on different surfaces. One downside is that it's a bit heavy and not as portable as the handheld options. But if you're looking for power and efficiency, the WEN 6502 is a beast. It's great for both woodworkers and metalworkers who need a robust sanding solution. Grab yours today by checking the link below. Makita 9403. Finally, let's talk about one of the best belt sanders on the market, the Makita 9403. This heavy-duty sander features a powerful 11 amp motor and a 4-inch wide belt that moves at an impressive 1,640 feet per minute. This makes it one of the fastest and most efficient sanders available. What's even better? It operates at a surprisingly low 84 dB, making it one of the quietest belt sanders in its class. The labyrinth construction protects the motor and bearings from dust, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you're a professional looking for the best in performance and reliability, the Makita 9403 is an investment worth making. Check out the latest deals in the description. So there you have our top picks for the best electric sanders of 2025. Whether you need a compact detail sander, a budget-friendly option, or a heavy-duty powerhouse, there's a perfect choice for you on this list. Investing in a high-quality sander can save you time and effort while ensuring a professional finish on every project. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, all the links to these amazing sanders are in the description box and the first comment. Make sure to check them out for the best deals and latest prices. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.